Welcome to Mitsubishi's media installation walkthrough of your K60. What you will need to get started includes the K60, 5 or 6 inch print paper, the ink ribbon, flanges, spacers, and the ink cassette. Carefully remove your new media from the packaging and place them upright on a dust-free, flat surface. If needed, squeeze the sides of your paper together into a circular shape, ensuring proper flange attachment. For 5-inch media, install spacers onto both of your flanges. 6-inch media does not require spacers. Note that for our demonstration, we will be installing with 5-inch media. Pinch the latches on the paper flange to retract the stoppers and insert the flanges into the print paper. Then twist to lock into place. When handling the ink ribbon, make sure the knobs at the ends of the ribbon point to the right. Snap the ink ribbon firmly to the cassette into the corresponding slots. Remove and empty the paper strip bin prior to opening the front panel. Flip the power switch on the rear and turn on the power. After the power indicator turns green, press the open button and slide the printing unit forward. Pull the latch to open the door to reveal the paper compartment. For 5-inch paper, push the guides inside. For 6-inch paper, move the guides outward. Inspect the print rollers. If necessary, wipe it clean with a soft cloth to wipe off any dirt and debris. Install the print paper into the unit and ensure that there is no slack in the paper roll. If necessary, remove the tape from the roll. Feed the paper in between the rollers. Continue until the printer buzzer sounds. Slide the cassette into the compartment. Push the front door closed. Ensure the front alarm LED is turned off. An automatic feed will commence and the cut process will create 3 blank sheets in order to get rid of contaminated paper during handling. Install the empty paper strip bin.